Investment advisory services are offered through Fusion Capital Management, an SEC-registered investment advisor. The firm only transacts business in states where it is properly registered or is excluded or exempted from registration requirements. SEC registration is not an endorsement of the firm by the Commission and does not mean that the advisor has attained a specific level of skill or ability.
Welcome to Navigating Retirement with Rick Durkee.
Welcome back to our mini-series about paying less in taxes in retirement with Roth strategies. Hi, I'm Rick Durkee, president and founder of the Coastal Financial Planning Group and the host of Navigating Retirement. Let's continue our discussion on Roth accounts today, how to control taxes and paying less in taxes in retirement. On our last video, we talked about some pretty important assumptions that we need to carefully consider when making decisions of how to save our money. Now let's talk what could be potentially a discounted sales price that we should take advantage of. As a little disclaimer before we begin here, I don't, and nobody knows with 100% certainty what the future of taxes look like for our country. But I do have an intuition, and many, I think, agree with the fact that tax rates are probably going to have more probability of going up in the future than they do going down. But here are the facts. Just like Jack Webb used to say on Dragnet, here's the facts, ma'am. The IRS has a plan for every one of those dollars that they haven't taxed yet. And certainly the IRS has not forgotten about our retirement accounts with deferred taxation that they plan to collect. Sooner or later, those taxes are going to be due. We are currently in a low environment when it comes to taxes. And taxes are like a compulsory purchase. We're obligated to buy them at some point, like it or not, in our IRAs. Now let's talk about an analogy here. Let's say that you walk into a department store and you see two racks. One is regular price, one is on sale marked 25% off. You see this item that you like, and then you actually see a second item. One on the full price rack and another on the sales rack. You carefully examine each of those items and they're exactly the same one, so you ask the sales associate if the pricing difference is a mistake. They confirm it's correct. Which one would you buy? The on sale one, of course. The thing is, you probably didn't even have to buy either one of those items, but if you're going to have to buy it, you certainly prefer to buy it on sale, wouldn't you? At a discounted price. Well, taxes right now are on sale. And this is one sale item that you're eventually going to be required to buy or buy out of them. So to recap, tax laws, tax rates, and brackets change. We know what they are today. Depending on your feelings and assumptions of what they might do into the future, the decision is yours as to how you choose to handle taxes today, or perhaps maybe in the future. So each one of these opportunities should be considered carefully. The critical thing is that these are decisions that can definitely affect your future dollars in retirement. So in closing, we know what taxes are today. We can buy the IRS out at today's rates if we choose to do so. And now, most importantly, we at the Coastal Financial Planning Group could run you a report showing you what your tax bill would be all the way throughout your retirement. Wouldn't that be useful information to have? Contact us today for a complimentary retirement tax analysis. And stay tuned for our next video and learn more about paying less in taxes in retirement.
Catch more of Rick Durkee and Navigating Retirement by visiting cfpgroup.biz.
While we believe the information in this broadcast is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investment advisory services are offered through Fusion Capital Management, an SEC registered investment advisor. SEC registration is not an endorsement of the firm by the Commission and does not mean that the advisor has attained a specific level of skill or ability. Investment in securities or the market involves a potential risk for loss of principal. Trading, therefore, may not be suitable for all listeners. Annuity guarantees are based solely on the financial strength and claims paying ability of the issuing company. Withdrawals of growth from annuities may be taxable as ordinary income in the year it is taken. Individuals should review contracts for specific details of the product's features and costs. Early withdrawals may subject the owner to penalties, fees, or taxes.
Fiduciary duty extends solely to investment advisory advice and does not extend to other activities such as insurance or broker-dealer services. Advisory clients are charged a fee for assets under management, while insurance products pay a commission, which may result in a conflict of interest regarding compensation.